This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to publish a website on GitHub using an easy method. First, understand that GitHub Pages provides a fantastic, free service for hosting static websites directly from your repository. It's incredibly straightforward, allowing anyone to get their personal projects or documentation online with minimal effort. This method is perfect for those looking for a quick and efficient way to share their web creations. Next, let's set up your repository. Begin by creating a new public repository on GitHub. It's crucial to name your primary branch main, as this is often the default branch GitHub Pages looks for. Once your repository is ready, simply upload all your website's files, including your index.html, CSS, and JavaScript, directly into this new repository. This forms the foundation for your live website. Now it's time to activate GitHub Pages. Navigate to your repository settings page. On the left sidebar, you'll find a section labeled Pages. Click on it. Here, you'll choose the branch you want to deploy from, typically your main branch, and specify the folder, usually the root or docs folder. After saving, GitHub will build and deploy your site, providing you with a live URL. Finally, consider adding a custom domain. In the Pages settings, you can enter your desired domain name. Remember to update your DNS records with your domain provider to point to GitHub Pages. This usually involves adding a CNAME record. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals. Your website should now be live and accessible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.